What if the real secret in football is not how much players earn, but what they do the moment money hits their account? A young star signs a big contract, fans celebrate, cameras flash, and life changes overnight. Luxury begins fast, but years later many players face serious financial stress, while a smaller group keeps building wealth that quietly grows in the background. So the real question is simple. Why do some footballers stay rich long after retirement while others lose everything despite earning millions? The answer is not just income. It is a hidden habit in money management that most people ignore completely. In this video we break it down step by step. Let's get started. 1. Why football wealth looks so different? Football creates a powerful illusion of wealth. From the outside, players look financially unstoppable. Huge salaries, luxury cars, private jets, and brand deals create the image of permanent success. But behind this image lies a completely different reality. Football income is not like normal jobs. It arrives fast, peaks early, and disappears just as quickly after retirement. This creates a strange financial pattern where people earning millions can still end up unstable later in life. The reason is simple. The money itself is not the problem. The way money is handled is. And that is where the hidden habit begins to matter more than anything else. Because in football, two players can earn the same money, but end up with completely different financial futures. 2. The hidden habit that changes everything. The real difference between wealthy and broke former athletes is not income size. It is behavior at the moment money arrives. Wealthy footballers do something very specific. They do not treat money as something to enjoy immediately. They treat it as raw material that must be converted. Instead of spending, they redirect income into ownership-based systems. This includes business shares, real estate assets, brand expansion systems, long-term commercial deals, and revenue-generating ventures. The shift changes everything. Because spending removes money from the system, but ownership keeps money inside the system where it can grow. Most people never reach this stage. They earn and immediately upgrade their lifestyle. Wealth builders earn and immediately convert. That single difference decides everything later. 3. Why most people never build this habit. This habit looks simple, but in real life, it is extremely rare. The first reason is psychology. When money increases suddenly, the brain interprets it as permanent. That creates emotional spending. Luxury starts feeling normal very quickly. The second reason is lifestyle inflation. Expenses rise automatically without planning. Bigger house, better car, more travel, more social pressure. Income grows but savings do not. The third reason is structure. Most people do not have a financial system that forces discipline. Without systems, decisions become emotional instead of strategic. This is why many high earners still fail financially. Not because they lack money, but because they lack structure around money. And football shows this more clearly than almost any industry. 4. The brand empire model, Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo is one of the clearest examples of this hidden money habit in football. His total career earnings are estimated at over $1 billion in combined salary, bonuses, and endorsements, making him one of the first billionaire-level footballers in history. His current net worth is widely estimated at $1.2 billion depending on asset valuation and brand equity calculations. But the real story is not just how much he earned. It is how his money behaves. Instead of depending only on football salary, Ronaldo built the CR7 empire. This includes hotels under Pestana CR7, fashion lines, fitness brands, fragrance products, and long-term partnerships like Nike, which alone is worth hundreds of millions in lifetime value contracts. What makes this powerful is structure. Reports show Ronaldo earns a massive portion of his income from off-field business and endorsements, sometimes generating $40 million to $60 million plus annually outside football salary alone. The hidden habit here is control. Money is constantly redirected into systems that increase brand value and create recurring income instead of disappearing into lifestyle spending. 5. The structured income system, Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi represents a more stable and structured version of the same habit. His net worth is estimated at around $600 million plus, built through long-term salary contracts, lifetime Adidas partnership, and carefully structured sponsorship deals. At PSG and later career stages, Messi earned contracts worth around $60 million to $75 million per year in total package value, including salary and bonuses, while also securing lifetime deals with Adidas estimated to be worth $1 billion plus over time across performance and brand clauses. Unlike aggressive brand expansion models, Messi focuses on stability. His income is layered across salary, endorsements, and long-term partnerships with companies like Pepsi and Apple-related campaigns. The hidden habit here is not risk-taking, it is income layering. Even if football income slows, sponsorships and long-term deals continue generating millions annually. 6. The ownership transition model, David Beckham. David Beckham shows a different stage of the same habit, full transition into ownership. His net worth is estimated at around $450 million to $500 million plus, but the important part is how that wealth keeps growing after retirement. After football, Beckham moved into equity-based wealth through Inter Miami CF, global brand partnerships, and licensing deals under the Beckham brand empire. Inter Miami alone increased his long-term valuation significantly, with estimates suggesting his ownership stake grew in value into the hundreds of millions as the club expanded commercially. He also maintains long-term deals with Adidas and other global brands, which continue generating passive income even after his playing career ended. The hidden habit here is ownership thinking. Instead of earning salaries, Beckham owns systems that generate income continuously, independent of physical performance. 7. How the system actually works behind the scenes. Across all the examples, one clear pattern stays the same. Wealthy footballers do not look at money as the final goal or something meant only for enjoyment. Instead, they treat every unit of income as raw input that must be directed into a system. The moment money arrives, it does not stay idle. It gets divided into different structured paths designed to build long-term strength. A portion is shifted into long-term assets that grow in value over time. Another portion is used to strengthen personal brand value, which increases future earning power. Some of it is directed into scalable business ventures that can expand without constant effort. And a controlled part is always kept aside as financial protection for stability and risk management. This structure creates a continuous loop where money keeps multiplying even when active earnings slow down or stop. It is not simple saving behavior. It is system thinking. And systems behave very differently from salary-based income. Income stops when work stops, but systems continue generating value even without active involvement. That is the real hidden advantage behind long-term football wealth. 8. Why this habit wins against high income alone. High income without structure creates temporary wealth. High income with conversion creates lasting wealth. Football history is full of examples where players earned millions but lost financial stability after retirement. The difference is not earning power. It is conversion behavior. Wealth is not measured when income is at its highest. It is measured years after income stops. That is why this hidden habit becomes the deciding factor. It protects money beyond active career cycles. And it turns short-term success into long-term security. 10. How anyone can apply this system. This system is not limited to footballers. It applies to anyone earning income. The principle is simple. Every time income increases, a portion should be converted into assets instead of lifestyle upgrades. Even small steps create big changes over time. Build at least one external income source. Avoid increasing lifestyle immediately after earning more. Focus on ownership instead of consumption. Reinvest instead of spending everything. These small decisions slowly create financial systems that grow independently. That is how ordinary income becomes long-term wealth. Not through luck, through structure. The hidden habit behind wealthy footballers is not luxury, fame, or income size. It is systematic conversion of earnings into ownership-based assets. Different players apply it differently. Some build brands. Some diversify income. Some shift into ownership. Some invest early. But the core idea remains identical. They do not just earn money. They turn money into systems that continue producing value long after their playing careers end. That is the real difference between temporary success and lasting wealth. If this breakdown changed the way you think about money, the key lesson is simple. Do not let income decide your lifestyle. Let structure decide your future. Start converting part of what you earn into assets. Build systems that work beyond your effort, and focus on ownership instead of consumption. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.